Okay, this is just a quick video to show you how to send files to your students using the news forum. Okay, this is one of the quickest ways to do it and probably with the least new skills to learn. Okay, so let's go to the news forum. Might be called something different on your machine. We will add a new discussion topic. Now, just a tip here is it's important to be very clear why you're sending files to students. Always be extra clear when you're communicating, I suppose, over the web to people. So title here, that's not very good, very generic. You probably should be more specific than this. And in this box, you can write lots of text explaining what this file is, and what's in it, and why you're sending it to them, and maybe what you want them to do with it. No technology skills there, just good advice, let's say, about communicating with students. Okay, down here is where the trick is. In this attachment, okay, you can drag and drop a file into here. This is a very useful technique to know how to do. Okay, what you have to do is you have to open File Explorer or File Manager on older machines. That's often shown down here by that little icon, or you can go down to the Start area, and I can't see it there, so what I'll just type in here in this search box is File. It might, yeah, there it is, File Explorer. So we start up File Explorer. Okay, God knows what files I have here. Okay, Disruptive Technologies Toolkit. Okay, let's take that Excel file, pull it across here, and drop it here. Now that would be one way to do it. Okay, another way to do it, if you can't get up your file manager, you don't know how to operate that, is to use what's called the file picker, which is an old-fashioned way. It's a bit like how you might attach a file to an email. So you would click on this here, okay, and this file picker in Moodle comes up. You choose the file, click choose the file, and then that opens your file manager. So we can, let's go to my downloads or something like that. Have I got something in my downloads? There's Disruptive Toolkit, revise. Okay, let's pick that, hit open. Okay, and this is ready to upload. Okay, it's already been there. We'll just overwrite the one that's there. Okay, so that's uploading it that way. So it's into this area here, and that will be attached to this message. Now we are posting this to the discussion area, so that will go into that discussion area and they'll be able to link that file. It'll also be sent out to them in an email. And that's it. Okay, thanks very much.